The great BOINC Pentathlon is upon us. It's about halfway through, and it's been an absolute blast. It is a number crunching competition on which team can crunch the most by the cutoff time. And since it's a pentathlon, there are 5 sections. Milky Way, Einstein, NFS, SR base, and of course my favorite, World Community Grid. And there are different categories, those 5 categories, and each one are different time periods, and some are bursts. It's very fun to compete and strategize with your team and bring community together to help science. And of course this is very hard on the servers. For instance, NFS went totally offline for a while due to the bursty nature. There are 5 categories, as I said. Marathon is World Community Grid, so it's the entire 2 weeks. The event ends on the following Monday, on the 19th of May. City Run, Milky Way, is from the May 5th to May 10th. This one was really interesting. The very last day, I'm on the Linus Tech Tips team, and LTT and Planet 3D Now were neck and neck on the last day. 3D Now was a bit ahead, and I moved all my machines over, all of my fast machines over one by one with remote desktop. And the very last iteration, we just blasted ahead. With the help of others too, of course, lots of others. Someone released their bunker, which is basically just a collection of finished work units, uploaded them all on the last time. It's refreshed every hour, and that was really fun. Milky Way analyzes universe data for mapping out the Milky Way galaxy. And javelin throw, these are bursts, literally bursts. Very hard on the server, which is why it actually went down, and there's this chat here and on the various forums. Yeah, we're doing well there, but what's really tough is going to be Einstein and SR base. Team Anantech is strong everywhere pretty much. And the final chapter is Einstein at Home. It's coming up. These two compute for numbers, for number theories. NFS and SR base are number theory projects. Einstein and Milky Way are space data, and World Community Grid is mapping cancer markers. In the following 3 videos, we'll show you how I, as quickly as possible, switch from World Community Grid to Milky Way on the last day, one by one, and then towards the end of the day, when we just had an hour left, I switched from the OCS work units were taking too long. They took 3 hours each or more. Didn't have that kind of time, so one by one, as many as I could, I disabled OCS and just let them crunch PAL work units. And then the final video, you'll see me switching them back over to World Community Grid so that we don't get behind there after the Milky Way competition ended.
Someone has hidden my glasses again.